Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache and cookies on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then open the Applications tile. Here, if you want to clear the cache for all applications on your device, select Clear All Application Caches, and then click Confirm to perform this action. If you want to clear the cache for a specific app, go to Manage Installed Applications, then select the app that you want to fix. Scroll down to Clear Cache and click on this option to clear the cache for this app. Then try relaunching it and see if it works better now. If you want to clear cookies, you have to go to Silk browser in the Applications menu. It will redirect you to Silk settings, where you're gonna have to select Privacy and Security, and then navigate down to Delete Browsing Data. Click on this option, then select which data you want to remove by hitting the checkbox next to the respective options and click Delete Data at the bottom. Then confirm by selecting Delete, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.